When life is at a low point and the difficulties make us invisible, how can we find self-confidence and love? This is a problem we all face. The light in the dark often comes from the wisdom and courage in our hearts. Through the guidance of Buddhist wisdom, we can learn to persevere in difficulties and find our own light. We have the ability to change our external situation. When we face difficulties, we can find a solution to the problem by maintaining our inner calmness and firmness. Darkness is not the end, but the opportunity for us to grow up. Self-confidence in the dark comes from the power of the heart. When we face difficulties, our inner wisdom will tell us how to move forward. This wisdom does not come from the outside world, but from the calmness and thinking in our hearts. Through self-reflection and introspection, we can find the courage to face difficulties and find our own light in the dark. Compassion is the heart, and love is an important force for us to overcome difficulties. When we feel lonely and desperate, love can give us strength. This is not only love from others, but also our love for ourselves. Only when you learn to love yourself and accept your imperfections can you find real confidence and strength in the dark. Love in the dark comes from the compassion in the heart. Learn to love yourself and accept your own shortcomings, so that you can find the strength to move forward in the dilemma. Love is not a one-sided acceptance, but a two-way flow. While we love ourselves, we can also feel the love and support from others, which pulls us out of the darkness and brings us to the light. Buddhist wisdom tells us that all difficulties are temporary, and the real power comes from how we face these challenges. Wisdom allows us to see the truth of things and teaches us how to stay awake and firm in difficulties. By learning the wisdom of Buddhism, we can find solutions to problems and regain self-confidence and love in the dark. Wisdom in the dark comes from inner enlightenment. When we face difficulties, wisdom will guide us to find a way to solve problems. A deep understanding of life. Through the study of Buddhist wisdom, we can find self-confidence in the dark and love ourselves and others. Self-confidence and love in the dark come from the power of the heart, the power of love, and the enlightenment of wisdom. Each of us has these strengths. We can find our own light in the dilemma through internal view and self-reflection. Find your inner self-confidence and love, and go to light and hope.